Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Tuna Empanada Panlasang Pinoy, updated. Mix drained tuna with sautéed onions, garlic, salt, pepper, and a splash of soy sauce. Add beaten egg to bind and adjust seasoning to taste. Prepare dough by combining flour, salt, oil, and water until smooth, then rest it briefly. Roll dough into small circles and fill each with generous tuna mixture. Warm and simple dough makes these empanadas gentle to handle and crisp when cooked. Start by whisking flour, salt, and oil so the fat coats the flour evenly. Slowly add water while stirring until a cohesive dough forms, then knead lightly for a few minutes until smooth. Cover and let rest for 20 minutes to relax the gluten. This rest makes rolling thinner circles easy and prevents springback when filling. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while cooking and consider the Owala water bottle for convenience and durability. It keeps drinks cold and fits in most bags. I found it handy when moving between stove and prep station, so it pairs well with busy kitchen work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assembling is where the magic happens, and you can be creative with sealing methods. Roll each piece to roughly 3.5 inches and spoon in filling, leaving room at the edge to seal. Crimp with a fork or twist the edge for a rustic look, then fry in medium oil until golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side depending on size. Drain on paper towels and serve warm with vinegar dip or ketchup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.